Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO F8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when you have a screen protector that's too small for your screen, that's going outside of the screen and it's covering the edges of the phone, and the screen protector that's a poor quality one, then that can be the reason of you having the ghost touches. And to remind you, ghost touches are the type of things when you see something happening on your screen but you just didn't do that. So the ghost touch, for an example, something will click right here and it will open up your settings all over again. So now what you guys can do next is clean the screen, but let's quickly get back to the case first. If you see those bezels right here between the screen and the case, if the case is covering them, then it can cause the issues. So if that's the case, then remove it. Now for the screen, grab a microfiber cloth and remove any debris or moisture, including the fingerprints. So I have it right here, as you guys can see. Now let's give it a few swipes. And after that, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings, now go to About Phone and click on the HyperOS right here. I have no updates available, but if you do have an update and you see the button to download and install to the newer version, then make sure to do that, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.